In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Xbox Game Pass games not launching on PC. Alright, so to do this, you need to verify and repair your game files. So to do this, the first step is open the options menu in your Xbox app and click Manage. Step 2, from here you will see this menu. Please click Files. Step 3, from Files, please click Verify and Repair. Step 4, once you have selected Verify and Repair, you will be given a warning box. Please accept, and you may find your files are being relocated to a different installation destination. So another way is to repair the Xbox app for Windows PC. So the first step is go to your Windows settings, then go to apps, then search for the Xbox app, and then click on the Xbox app. Click on advanced options, scroll down, and then click on reset or repair. After that, close and repair the Xbox app and then reopen it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell icon. See you on the next one.